Greetings. Right now, we are at the official website of our society, UBRECCS.com. Today, we are going to learn about the booking procedure of holiday homes. First, we need to log in with our PF number and password in the website. Then click on Sign in. We are now logged in our account. Now we need to select Book Holiday Home option present in the menu. Next, we need to select the holiday home and its location. Then, the month in which we are booking the slot. Click on the slot, and now we see that the check-in and check-out dates are automatically reflected. Select the room type, whether it's AC or non-AC. Select the number of persons ranging from 1 to 4, and then click on Choose Rooms. We see that there are no rooms available in that slot, so we need to select a different slot. Then, we select a different slot, and now the check-in and check-out dates are changed. Click on Choose Rooms, and we see that the rooms are available. Now we select one of those rooms, and we see that the room is being held for certain time. The amount to be paid is now being reflected. Now we need to press on Send OTP and wait for the OTP to arrive on our mobile device. Enter the OTP, and now we need to press on Confirm Booking. We are now being redirected to the payment gateway. We can pay via UPI, debit or credit card, or via net banking. Here we are using debit card as our payment method. On successfully entering our details, we need to authenticate the payment, and now we see that the payment has been successfully completed. A copy of booking confirmation receipt is auto-downloaded to your computer system, which is now ready to be viewed. Also, you can check your booking history by going to the dashboard and selecting the booking cancellation history. Now by selecting the room type, we can check the details of our booking. For example, here in the case of non-AC room, we can see the total booking history. In case we need to cancel our booking due to any unavoidable circumstance, we need to click on Raise Booking Cancellation and enter the allotment number of the holiday home, and then click on Submit Cancellation. Here we see that the cancellation request has been successfully submitted. Now this booking will be reflected under the cancellation details section present in the website. You can request for refund by submitting a formal application requesting refund of cancelled holiday home along with the booking confirmation receipt and first page of bank passbook or cancelled check to your concerned branch office for successfully completing the refund procedure. Thank you for watching this tutorial.